The Rack Shop is proud to present this third generation Toyota Tacoma with a long bed and a Leer bed topper. We've just installed the Rhino-Rack Vortex Aero track base rack system. So this is actually a pre-configured kit from Rhino-Rack, part number Y02-480B. Pre-configured kit, so it actually saves you a little bit of money versus buying all the individual parts. But this kit includes two of the Vortex Aero load bars, 54 inches in length, the RLT 600 quick mount leg, and RTC 16, that's the 63-inch long tracks. So while this is a complete kit, you can actually cut the tracks down if you need to fit a shorter application. Here you see the Vortex Aero load bars with a C channel on top for mounting different accessories, and that's easily accessible by peeling back the rubber strips and trimming around your carriers. So again, this is a 54-inch long bar, so the same fitment for the cab. So if you needed to do some cab crossbars as well, it would be a perfect match for that. Yeah, so again, this is a great kit for this particular bed length, but the tracks are aluminum and can be trimmed down to size. The tracks are a really great option. They have a gateway on the back end, allowing you to add or subtract hardware as needed really easily without removing any end caps. And here you can see the underside. So the tracks do need to be put as far to the outside as possible. Definitely refer to the instructions before tackling this project, just to make sure you know what all is involved. Because once you drill, you can't undrill. So make sure you read through it before purchasing and also before you get to the assembly. So again, this is a quick mount leg. So locks are included with this kit. To remove the leg, simply remove the locked cover and push the triggers inward and up it goes. So really quick and easy to take off or reinstall. So that's great if you need to maybe remove the crossbars to clean, or you're just not going to use the rack for a while, or if you need to make adjustments along the length of the track. You can remove the top portion, adjust the bases, and then reinstall. So yeah, that's just a quick look at this fitment. For more details, pricing, and availability, click on the link in the description below. That'll take you back to our website where you check out all the information or purchase this pre-configured kit with just a few clicks. So yeah, that's it for this one. And like always, thanks for watching.